Hello and welcome to an insider tour of the Sunchi club level beachfront room, and this is here at the amazing Sandals Royal Curaçao. Hey there, I'm Addison, founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and MyCaribbeanLuxury.com. Thank you so much for stopping by this channel as we dive straight in to have an insider peek at this particular room. Now, any questions you have on this room or anything else whatsoever, make sure to reach out. You can do so by reaching out at hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Again, that's hello@ReliantDestinations.com. We are the top award-winning sandals digital specialists, and it would be truly an honor to offer you our complimentary services to make sure that your vacation is perfect. But for now, let's go ahead and dive straight into this insider look at the BC room category here at Sandals Royal Curaçao. Let's go. And now we start our tour. This is room 2350 here at Sandals Royal Curaçao. Again, this is the Sunchi club level beachfront room, and that is room code BC here at Sandals Royal Curaçao. When we come in on the left-hand side, we have a gorgeous bathroom here. So as you can see, there's plenty of room for a couple there to get side by side ready for the remarkable dinner that's definitely waiting for you at this resort. In there, you have a toilets room, and it does have a private door that also closes there, but it is hidden right now. Little latch there for that purpose. Of course, you have your floor-to-ceiling dressing mirrors. So if you're someone that likes to make sure that everything looks spectacular before going out to dinner, you definitely have no shortage of mirrors in this room. Now, do keep in mind that this is a club-level room here at Sandals Royal Curaçao. Club level does mean that it does come with some premium beverages here. So it does come with spirits, also comes with the famous Twin Oak wines, which is from Robert Mondavi out of the Lodi region in California. Of course, also you have all of your sodas and ice, everything you need. Down here you have a mini fridge, which you can ask the Club Sandals Lounge to have stocked with a preference. So maybe you're not into beer but like some more juices, you definitely can make a request for that. Now, before we go into the main bedroom here, I'm going on to these walk-up closets. So we're going to open one of these, and they are spacious. Look at all of that room down there to put your suitcases. I think you can probably fit 6 or 7 full-size suitcases down there, so there's no shortage of space here in the closet. Of course, as a Club Sandals tier room, you do have this bathrobe. So these bathrobes are for use while you're staying here, and of course they do have the famous Sandals logo on them. They're very comfortable, they're cotton. Actually, their new ones are bamboo even. And it's something where, you know, if you want to go and sit out on your patio or balcony before dinner, catch a sunset, before you have a shower, all those bathrobes come very useful. Now, here we have the main attraction, the bedroom itself. So, first of all, you can see here that we do have a his and hers, or they, whatever it might be, a different kind of vanity stand, nightstand option. So, if you're someone that likes to put something next to your head while you sleep, you definitely can do so. These beds are made by Serta, and they're very comfortable. They're oversized king-size beds. In fact, I even sleep on one from this manufacturer in my own home because I love it so very much. You can see here that the special events team has put some romantic touches in the room, which was waiting whenever I walked in, and that is something which we do see quite commonly here, little touches here and there of romantic surprises. You do have a sitting area, an oversized singular sofa. If you're someone that wants to sit, maybe read a book, while one partner who takes a little more time gets ready. Of course, you do also have a bench there at the end of the bed, great for putting on shoes, and it has some space underneath for shoes as well. Here you do have a smart TV, and this is the brand new style here. So some of the other resorts are still a little bit on the older side of things, but here you have the ability to look through hotel services. You can watch television, you get some apps, TV Guide, Chromecast, all of that good stuff. And you can even see, you know, your actual portfolio here in the resort before you check out. So that is there for you. All right. Next, I would mention here that we do have this in-room dining menu. So, because you are at the Club Sandals tier, you do get that in-room dining service. So it is a standard menu, and it has quite a few options. There's a breakfast option, there's an all-day and a late-night option. So you do have some different choices to look through there. Of course, here you can't go without having some of that famous Jamaica Blue Mountain Blend coffee whenever you're staying at Sandals, so do make sure to try some of that, and you have some in your room here. That is very premium coffee, and for the coffee lovers, it's quite good. Of course, some amazing decoration up top, but honestly, what you're really wanting to see here is what does the view look like? So, we have these giant floor-to-ceiling sliding doors. So, these floor-to-ceiling sliding doors, they open to a remarkable view. As you can see here with the view, we have a patio, and we are on the 3rd floor right now, just for reference. So we have a patio that overlooks the beautiful Caribbean there. Now what we see over there is something which I highly encourage you to watch my resort tour, and that's something where you can learn more there, but those are actually food trucks. And well, let me just say, yum, yum, yum. Those food trucks are absolutely to die for. So over there we have a few different food truck options. Then we also have some elevated dining there if you wish to sit in some shade but have beautiful overarching views of the Caribbean. We also have some wedding pavilions down there, and then beachfront bungalows, which are the most premium suite here in the resort right there. But yeah, this is the kind of view that you get here. It's quite good. So yes, you do get a bit of a resort view just to see what's happening, and most importantly, you do get that view out into the gorgeous ocean. So there you have it. This was the Sunchi club level beachfront room here at Sandals Royal Curaçao, room code BC. Again, any questions you have on this room or anything else, Sandals and Beaches, reach out to your experts, your 100% complimentary experts. We always say if you're not reaching out, you might be missing out. So again, hello at ReliantDestinations.com. That's how you can go about this. Hello at ReliantDestinations.com. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for endless content about everything Sandals and Beaches. We're here to truly bring memories of a lifetime to your next vacation. Thanks, take care, we'll speak to you soon.